Hi friends, I'll be cooking Buchi or sesame balls. Here are the ingredients. 2 and 1/2 cups glutinous rice flour, 1 cup mashed sweet potatoes, 3/4 cup white sugar, 4 tablespoons vegetable oil, and we need to use 1 cup warm water. And we have cheese for filling. You can slice it in cubes. And another filling could be ubi jam. And sesame seeds. Now let us begin cooking by mixing our warm water with sugar. And let us mix together until it's totally incorporated. And after this, we have to mix all the ingredients. So I have to put the glutinous rice flour, and then the sweet potatoes. You know, sweet potatoes will help make our buchi soft. Then we need to put the liquid. We have to pour the water and we have to mix it slowly. So we have to put water gradually until we get the desired consistency. Now let's add oil. Alright, and then we will just let it rest for 30 minutes. Now let us make our sesame balls. So we have to make a small ball first, and then flatten it, and then put the filling. It's up to you if you're going to use the cheese or purple jam or ubi jam. Alright, so you just continue until you finished all the balls. I put also ubi jam in some of the buchis. This is really delicious, and this is one of my favorite buchi fillings. Now we are done making the sesame balls or the buchi balls. Then we are going to add the sesame seeds. Simply dip this one in water and then roll on the sesame seeds. Just do the same process with the other buchi balls. Now we are about to cook our buchi, so we have to heat oil in a pan. When the oil is hot, we can start frying the sesame balls. After a minute, turn the ball on the other side, and when the balls turn into golden brown, they are cooked already and you can remove from the pan. Here are our delicious buchi or sesame balls. Look at this. It is soft and delicious.